Hello everyone, good day and mabruhay. By the way, my name is Randy Espena, 10 plus guider of M Global Philippines from Sapampalay, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. At ngayong araw na ito, masaya po ako dahil ako na naman po ay nakareceive ng tulong sa ating MMM Global Community. By the way, last March 11, 2016, I provided help my spare money in the amount of 1,000 pesos. And by March 5, 2016, I get help in the amount of 15,500 pesos. And thank you to the participants who send provide help with my get help. Thank you to Omron Him. I think this participants came from Cambodia. So thank you so much guys for sending your donations. And I successfully received my get help or my bitcoins in my blockchain accounts. Here is the total amount of my bitcoins that I received. So again, thank you. And I also want to thank Mr. Sergio Mabrodi for this very good ideology of M Global. And thank you rin nagpapasalamat din ulit ako sa MMM Global dahil ngayon po ako po ay nakabili ng aking new cellphone. Ito po, Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Ito po siya. Ito. Bali, ito po ay nanggaling po sa Get Help na aking na-receive sa community. Bali po, iniimbitahan ko po lahat ng gustong mag-join sa community na ito. Ang MMM Global po ay isang napakagandang opportunity para sa atin. Dahil kapag ikaw po ay nagbigay ng tulong sa community na ito, sigurado naman po na kapag ikaw naman ay humingi ng tulong, sigurado na ang MMM Global Community ay magbibigay po ng tulong sa inyo. Kaya po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na wag po kayong matakot i-try ang system. Dahil proven na po siya, almost 6 years na pong nagbibigay ng tulong ang MMM Global sa lahat ng panig ng mundo, sa iba't ibang lugar in other countries. Again, thank you so much to Mr. Sergio Mabrodi, and thank you to all the participants who continue providing help and helping our community to grow and to build more participants. And long live MMM Global. Together, we can change the world. Thank you and God bless. This is really the best. Thank you so much.